Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make big lips look smaller. As you can see, my lips are quite big and I love my lips, but they're also quite wide as well. So I'm also going to be showing you how to make a wide lip look more narrow, look a bit more perky and a bit more pouted. With my lips, they're really wide. Sometimes you might not be able to tell, but obviously with me I can tell a lot. And you know, I just think my lips are very wide and or long, like this way, and I think, you know, they need some taking in. So I've experimented with a few things and I'm going to show you how to make your lips look a lot smaller and a lot more narrow, so just keep watching. So if you have anything on your lips, just remember to take it off.
And I had stuff on my lips. So just take it off.
So before I apply anything, usually I would use like a lip gloss or a lip balm or something to just smooth out my lips and make my lips a lot softer and smoother. So just so they don't look cracked or caked. Perfect. So as you can see, my lips are quite dark anyway. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to contour your lips. My lips are quite dark anyway, so I have that advantage of doing a less advanced contour. So it's very easy, it's very simple. I'm just going to show you. So if your lips are like very wide like mine and they go out this way, what I would suggest is just contour the corners. So as you can see, mine's sort of contoured already. Just contour them a bit more. I'm using a lip liner. I'm using LA Girl lip liner. I know you guys are probably thinking, what is she doing? And what I'm doing, I'm not using a mirror, I'm just using the camera as a mirror. But as you can see, I'm just contouring my lips. I'm just making the sides a bit darker. So you're gonna see what I'm gonna do in a minute, because what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go down the middle of my lip with something lighter and try and use something not too light but a bit lighter, so the light color will take the attention away from the sides of your lips so it won't look as wide. And what you're gonna do is blend it in. And blend it however you want to blend it. You can use a, see, it looks smaller already. You can use a lipstick for this, you can use a lip gloss for this, as long as it's got a bit of color. So if you want, you can go in a bit more depth and you can carry on contouring to your heart's desire. If you want your lip to look more narrow, and you just blend and you blend. And what I like doing is I like adding the light shade, because that's where it comes in to make your lips look a lot more narrow. So obviously when you're using the pencil, use like a dark coloured pencil depending on your lip colour and your skin colour, but I usually use like a brown, a dark brown. And when I'm going down the middle, just do a few strokes. So taking a lot of attention to the middle of the lip. And you can try any sort of kind of bright colour. But as you can see already, my lips are starting to look a lot more pouted, as I obviously want them to look, but I wanted them to look less narrow. Like before they looked really wide, and sorry about that, before they looked really wide and now they look a lot less wide. So depending on your heart's desire, you can contour more, you can blend more, but I was basically just showing you the basics and the definition and the contouring and the procedure to how you do it. So as you can see, my lips look a lot more pouted, and this is how I like my lips. I like my lips wide because that's how God made me, but why not? We can change our, if we can change our features a bit with makeup, why not? So that concludes my video, guys, on how to make your lips smaller with simple contouring I hope you guys like this video, and I definitely want some of you guys to try it if you have big lips or wide lips, and if you have really small lips, just let me know, because I have a few tricks on how to make small lips look a lot bigger. So thanks again for watching my video, guys, and make sure you comment, subscribe, share, and remember, comment if you've tried this or you want to try this, and comment if you think my lips look pouted, because I really do. I'm really liking it. And do you know what another trick would be? Use a matte finish. Don't use a gloss, use a matte finish, and that will make you look a lot more pouted. So anyway, thank you again for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.